Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and doing a hands-on review of the Swott Airlit 006 True Wireless Earpods. Now here's the box packaging. In the official website, this product is priced at $9.99, but right now you can find it on Amazon at just $8.99. It's available in 4 colors: black, white, yellow and pink. We have the white color with us right now. Now the main highlights for this particular product would be its aggressive pricing, a brand new case which actually displays the battery percentage of both the case and the earbuds. That's definitely something new, especially for the price. It's got huge battery life, IPX5 water resistance, and finally it is made in India. These are just the highlights. I'll talk more in a minute. Now without any further delays, let's get on with the unboxing. So here's how the packaging looks like. On the front, we got a lot of information, a quick preview of how the earbuds look like, and some of the highlights like Bluetooth version 5.0, and the case that uses a 400 mAh battery. That's pretty big. And finally, it has been designed for physical exercises, so you can use it for workouts. On the back side, we have many more highlights, pricing information, and some specs. Now let's unbox it. First, we have a thank you card. On the back side, we have QR codes for their social media links. Next, we have the earbud case, followed by a card with online registration information. Next, we have the user manual. Finally, we have a smaller cover with a USB Type-C cable and extra ear tips. Now, this is the earbuds charging case. Now, let's have a physical overview. So, this is the charging case. I have the white color one and it's completely made of plastic. It has a nice smooth texture to it. It's not too flashy, it has a nice matte finish to it, so it doesn't shine too much. On the front, we have the Swott branding, and above that, we have this reflective black panel, which is actually the display part, where you can actually see the battery percentage of the charging case. This is my first time looking at a charging case with battery indicators on the outside. Anyway, at the bottom, we have the USB Type-C charging port, which is a pretty good thing for a product that's priced under 1,000 rupees. On the back side, it's completely plain. At the top, we got the lid, which also has a nice magnetic mechanism. Once we open the lid, we have access to the earbuds, and we also got left and right indicators. Now this is how the case looks without the earbuds. We got the charging pins for both the earbuds on the left and right corners. Now these are the true wireless earbuds. In terms of design, at least the top section looks pretty similar to the Apple AirPods Pro. There are ear tips on the front made of some soft silicone, and that's followed by the left and right marking. Following that is the longer stem. At the bottom of the stem, we got the charging pins. On the back side, we got the Swott branding. Above that, we got the touch area along with the mic and LED lights for status indication. Now, once we put back these earpods inside the case, this is how the charging indication looks like. Looks pretty cool. Some people might not appreciate this battery indicator on the outside, but personally I like it. You can always know how much charge you still got just by looking at it. I personally find it pretty handy. Now, these are some of the specs and features of the Swott Airlit 006. These are true wireless earbuds. We got the digital display both for the case and the earbuds. Each earpod comes with a 10mm dynamic driver. They have IPX5 water resistance. They also support voice assistance and comes with Bluetooth 5.1. These are rest of the specs. Now let's see how to pair these earphones to the phone. Well, the pairing process is pretty simple. You just need to open the case and pull out the earbuds. Next, switch to the phone, open up the Bluetooth settings, and search for new devices. Once you see the Swott Airlit 006, just tap on it and it will be paired. It's a pretty simple process. By the way, every time you remove the earbuds from the case, you get a voice prompt that says, "Welcome to Swott, be Swottish." Now, as for the functionalities of this touch interface button, you can do a single tap on left and right earbuds for play and pause, double tap on the right side to increase the volume, double tap on the left side to decrease the volume, triple tap on the right earbud to play the next song. You can do the same on the left side to play the previous song. Finally, you can do a long tap on both sides to trigger a voice assistant. We pretty much have all the features and functionalities that you can ask for on a true wireless headset, and they all work without any issues. Now, as for the review, I'll first start off with the design and build. Once again, back to the case. This entire case is made of some hard plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap in any way, and the quality feels and looks pretty good. We are also getting a magnetic lid, which is a nice addition, especially considering the price. We're also getting a USB Type-C charging port, which is in line with the current technology. So you don't have to go search for a micro USB cable just to charge your earphones. So that's another nice addition. Now as for the earpods, I really like the design. Because of the positioning of the touch area, there are no accidental touches. At least we can avoid a lot of accidental touches. So that's a major problem solved. And because of the digital display on the outside, we can always see if the earpods are charging or not and how much battery they still got left. So that's another nice thing. So overall, in terms of design and that digital display on the outside, everything works fine and I really don't have any complaints. By the way, this case weighs about 40 grams with both earbuds inside the case, and each earbud weighs about 4 grams. In here, they fit pretty comfortably, and after some time, you won't notice any weight at all. I've tried using them for some time. I've moved around, did a bit of workout, and they didn't fall off. That's another good thing. Now when it comes to the audio quality, I'd say it is pretty good considering the price. I could feel a bit of bass. It's not too heavy, it's not extreme, but it is sufficient. There is no active noise cancellation, obviously considering the price, but the ear tips vacuum seal feels pretty nice. It pretty much isolates a lot of ambient noise. Now when it comes to the call quality, once again it is pretty good for the price. By the way, I forgot to mention, you can use these earpods individually as well. Now finally, when it comes to the battery department, each earbud has a 40 mAh battery and the charging case itself has a 400 mAh battery. It takes about 60 minutes to charge the case completely. As for battery life, you can easily get up to 20 hours of playback time with the case included. So guys, to conclude, for a price of about 900 rupees, we are really getting a pretty good true wireless headset. It's got a pretty good design with battery indicators on the outside, audio quality over the earbuds is pretty good, and we have pretty good touch controls as well. So for this price, I'll definitely recommend you this product. So guys, what do you think about this product? Do let us know by commenting below this video. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.